Assalamualaikum grade 1. Today we are doing English copy work. Write homework on top of your page. Write date. Write unit number 1, lesson 3. Today our topic is Can I play? Write dictation words. Number 1 is play. 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 Second is sister. 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 Third is brother. 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 Fourth is Game Boy. Game. Boy. Boy. Game Boy. Number fifth one is Mummy. Mummy. Six. Daddy. Daddy. Seventh word is mending. 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 Eighth word is van. Van. Ninth word is biff. Biff. Number 10 is teddy bear. TEDDY. Teddy bear. BEAR. Teddy bear. 11 is running. 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 And the 12th one is away. 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 On the next page, we are doing sentences, word sentences. Topic is Can I play? Same, you write homework on the top of your page. Write date also. Okay. Write word sentences. He, she, it, they, these, those, or they are pronoun. They are uses instead of noun. The first word is he. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a cat. They are playing. This is a flower. These are balls. Those are kites. Write it very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.